Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in RHB online banking account. For that, firstly, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search www.rhbgroup.com and press enter, and you will be logged in to their home page. Now there you can see the option of logging at the top right. Click over there. Now here you can see list of options. All you need to do is click on the first one. Now firstly, if you haven't registered for your account, then you can click on this option and they will be guiding you further to register your RHB account. Now as we already have our account, firstly we will enter our username. Now in case if you have forgotten your username or your password, here you can see the option forgot username/password. You can click over there and they will be guiding you further to recover it. Now, after you are done entering your username, simply click on login. Now this kind of box will pop up and here you can see this word. You need to confirm this is your secure word that you have created while you were registering your RHB account. If yes, then you can simply click on this option. After that, here you need to simply enter your password. Again, if you have forgotten your password, then you can click on this option and they will be guiding you further to recover it. After you are done entering your password and your username, then you can simply click on login and you will be successfully logged in to your RHB account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.